boots on the ground, putting it down, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's 5-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device on this Thanksgiving time of the year, my friends. I want to wish you and your family a happy, happy Thanksgiving family feast, my friends. Because on The Scoop, you guys know we've been feasting on Bitcoin and cannabis stocks over the last few months, my friends. Things have really, really been good for us. As I told you at the beginning of the year, we were going to do well because we were looking forward to bull runs in those areas, my friends. It doesn't always work that way, but this year, thank God, it has worked that way for a lot of us, that especially have gone with the Mexican cannabis trade. That trade has been phenomenal. We have 3 horses in that race, my friends, and you guys know that they are doing fantastic. Did you see that Pharmacielo today? Did you see that? Tony, thank you for your advice on that. My friends, as you know, The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, and your information only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor, my friends. I'm an author. We have these books on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook, my friends. We talk about things like gold, silver. We talk about uranium. We talk about marijuana. We talk about Bitcoin. We talk about that kind of stuff, my friends. But our Bitcoin stocks are just going crazy. You know, don't go too crazy when you're at the table, guys, gals. Do your thing. But even our lottery picks. Look at DMG. Stephen was telling about DMG blockchain. It was like under 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents or something. Now, it was when we did our lottery show, 420. You guys know we do a lottery pick show, 420 show. And now it's over 20 cents USD. That Hive, Riot, Marathon, they're all doing their thing. It's a great time, my friends. It's a great time for you and your family. As you can see, I painted my office. I'm really doing some things now. I'm going to look a little more professional and have my videos not look crazy. But guys, don't think just because there's a crazy video out there, it doesn't have good information in there. These videos have great information, so you want to take a look at that. A lot of people have fallen off, my friends, but a lot of people are coming back now that, you know, cannabis is hot and they look, you know, there's really only a few guys out there that have been this cannabis run from the beginning, you know, from day one in America, you know, and we were trading those and meeting with those people up in Canada, here in America. There's only been a few of us. But those American stocks, you know, those stocks that they flash on TV, those aren't even the best stocks out right now, my friends. Look at my video. I'll tell you those stocks that are going to, those stocks that aren't even on the market. They're not even on the big board yet. Those stocks that are the best stocks in America. And I've told you about them. Those stocks will be $50, $75, $100. These stocks right now, no, they're just out there for show. I'm telling you, that's what's going on right now. They're just out there for show. But the big boys are coming, my friends. They're coming, and they're going to be there. I don't want to be too long-winded, but Chiron, thank you for that. Medric Life Sciences with, you know, I know Neurosis has been blowing that too. That's going to be a big winner, my friends. Our time is here. Our time is now. Now, I don't want to sound too accused of sounding too exuberant, my last video, but I'm excited when you guys make money and when you guys do well. That's when I'm excited. So I have a right now to, pat you on your back. Turn around and pat you on your back because you've done an outstanding job. And when you do an outstanding job, you deserve to be commended for it, my friends. So thank you guys very, very much for believing in The Scoop. And thank you guys for being a loyal audience to me. I'm very, very thankful that you guys have been there for me through the years. Thank you very, very much for your PayPal donations. It's that donation time of the year. Thank you very much. I'll have a link for you at the bottom, my friends. You guys have made, you know, roll with us with the Mexican cannabis trade. As back the truck up. The Scoop has called the bottom on those stocks. Back the truck up, my friends. That's what I'm telling you right now. on those Mexican cannabis stocks, those Mexico cannabis stocks, which are, out of Canada, but, headquartered in Colombia. What Mexico is the big market, my friends, and that's going to be a great market for us, just like the American market is going to be great. Like our American stocks are moving right now because we have a new administration coming in, and it's going to work out great for all of us, my friends. It's going to work out great. You have stories to tell. Tell your Bitcoin stories. Tell while you're right now, as you're eating right now, say, hey, listen to this guy, and log right there, right as we speak right now. Tell them, hey, sign up right here. It's free, and you're going to get information. You're going to get updates. You're going to be, at least Saturday, he seems to come out, every Saturday. He'll give you an update, and then he'll give you a midweek thing, and then you'll be straight, man. You'll be straight. You don't have to, you just listen to him. Just turn him on and listen to him. You don't have to look at him. You've seen him before. Just look, he's a decent guy, that kind of thing, People will, you turn them on to people, and they, my friend turned me on to you, and I didn't know about you, and I hear, people overseas and stuff. I love you guys, especially the men and women in uniform. You guys are treasures to me. I mean, it was a holiday season my first holiday season away from my family, right? I was on an aircraft carrier in the middle of the Indian Ocean out there, and I was being threatened. We were being threatened. We were on alert 24 hours. They were talking about blowing us out of the water. And when you get threats like that from world leaders, you kind of, what? He's talking about blowing us up, so you got to really, it's rough for them that are away from their families and all. And it's also rough for those people that have lost people with COVID right now. There are hundreds of thousands of people that would trade places with us right now, my friends. So you be very, very vigilant, be very, very careful with you and your family as you gather and enjoy your Thanksgiving feast, my friends. But I want you to know I am very, very thankful for all of you. I love all of you. Thank you very, very much. My family, I'll be making calls, and we'll be doing the Zoom thing and stuff. And I just, I'm just overwhelmed. And I just thank all of you for the love that you have shown this year. Either comments or, anything, your PayPal donations. We appreciate all that. That helps. We're looking forward to getting out there and doing some more fact-finding trips like we did to Mexico, to Arizona, to to some of the shows, some of the expos. You got to get out to all these things, my friends, and you got to talk to these people. You got to find out what's going on. So it's really, really time consuming to try and get things straight with some of these companies. But it's clear. Load up the truck on the Mexico marijuana stocks. Load up the truck. All of them are packed with former and current government officials, so they know kind of what's going on. Whether it's the former president or it's congressmen or senators, they know what's going on, and I would bet with them, especially while these stocks are super, super duper low, my friends. Institutions are very, very interested in these companies, and they're piling in. So why can't we back up the truck if the institutions are backing up the truck right now? They're doing special offerings right now for institutions on these. My friends, no one is going to be able to compete with these companies. But hey, what can you say? I can just yell it and let you know that hey, this is real. But I love you guys, and you guys take care of you and your family. You have a great, great time. Wear your mask. Do whatever it is you have to do, my friends, and that everything is going to be well for you. I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna let the little music play as we go out here. I guess the music will start here, and let the music play a little bit. Let you guys see my new little office here, my new little setup. It's not bad, we gotta improve, I've heard the word from my son and from others that Mickey D, we got to get, but it's difficult when you're out, on location or something. You're at somebody's dispensary or something. It's hard to look professional or something. But it is what it is. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Got the new videos coming up right here. Take care.